Let me first thank Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister, for taking a decision to hold elections in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. He always wanted to strengthen the democracy through the Panchayati Raj institutions. And I'm sure after the Sarpanch elections, after the BDC elections, now the District Development Council elections are very, very important to strengthen the democracy at the grassroots level. We want to do the development work through the elected representatives. And Jammu Kashmir is one state where DDC elections were never held. And I'm glad when this decision has been taken by the government, people in large numbers are coming to vote in the phase 1. And I'm sure this will further grow and strengthen the democratic process. The numbers will be large. And I'm glad that large number of people, representatives, political parties have participated in these elections. It doesn't matter who wins or who loses. The most important part is participation. And I'm glad there is a big participation as far as the candidates are concerned, and there is a big response and a good response as far as the voting is concerned. So I'm sure people who are sitting across the border, who always try to promote terrorism in the state of J&K and India, they got an answer that the people of Jammu and Kashmir have participated in the election. They will vote and support various candidates. And the answer is clear. It is written on the wall. That Article 370 and 35A, after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, things have changed. Development work has started. It is progressing well. People who didn't have their rights for the last 70 years, they got their rights. Whether it is women, ST, Valmikis, Gurkhas, or the West Pakistan refugees. Even the Forest Act has been implemented, which was not implemented in the last 10 years. So Gujar Bakrwals, they are also going to get the benefits out of various other schemes and programs. So I'm sure people are aware of a lot of things and they want to be part of it.
And leaders said that no one will be there to uphold the flag, tricolor. But don't you think the people have answered them?
I think certain people have a habit of undermining India's capacity, Indians' abilities, and the strength of and the power of tricolor. Whether they were holding big positions in the past, if they believe that they can disrespect the tricolor, they are failing to understand that what is the strength of tricolor, Tiranga. It unites 130 crore Indians under this flag. That is the strength of tricolor. And let me tell them, if they want to speak the language of China or Pakistan, people will give them answer. They have given them answer in the past, they will give them answer now, and the future, they will understand that what mistakes they have done. They have been looting the state in power or out of power by colliding with various other political parties who are known as Gupkar gang now. Whether it is the Roshni Act or other scandals they have been part of, they have looted the state for last 7 decades. And that is why the state of Jammu Kashmir need redressal, need development, need hand-holding, and Prime Minister Modi is doing that. And I'm sure the elected representatives will further strengthen the development work and will serve the people of the state.
So people of Jammu and Kashmir, that's why they have come out, and this is their prerogative, and that's why they are voting today. What do you think of that?
I totally agree that the people who are coming out and voting is sending a message loud and clear. They support democracy. They want peace in Jammu and Kashmir. They want development in Jammu and Kashmir. They want their children to have IIT, IIMs, medical colleges, engineering colleges, as well as the health facilities like AIIMS and Ayushman Bharat Yojana. And I'm glad that Jammu Kashmir has got everything in last 5 years due to Prime Minister Modi. That is how the state is going to move forward, how they are going to progress. And I'm sure people will realize that and support Bharatiya Janata Party.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। चाहे कोई ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हो या कोरोना वायरस से जुड़ी कोई भी अपडेट, पॉलिटिक्स हो या आपकी जेब से जुड़ी कोई खबर, इलेक्शन की कोई न्यूज हो, कोई कंट्रोवर्सी हो या फिर कोई वायरल वीडियो, सब कुछ मिलेगा न्यूज़ 24 पर। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।